Heart attacks. It's no longer a health risk for elderly, individuals under 40 and in some cases even teenagers. What's going on? हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इनफाइनाइट वाइटलिटी वाइब्स। मैं हूं आपकी हेल्थ कोच मीनू। ट्रेडिशनली हार्ट अटैक ओल्डर एडल्ट्स में एक हेल्थ इशू होता था, बट नॉट एनी मोर। रिसेंटली द नंबर ऑफ हार्ट अटैक्स हैज स्पाइक्ड इन इंडिविजुअल्स एज्ड अंडर 40। स्टडीज में ये भी बताया गया है दैट हार्ट अटैक इज वन ऑफ द लीडिंग रीजन फॉर डेथ्स वर्ल्ड वाइड, मेकिंग यंगर जनरेशन मोर वनरेबल। स्टडीज में ये भी देखा गया है कि पिछले 10 सालों में the heart attacks in younger generation has increased by 10%. Is it because of genetics, lifestyle or something else? Let's find out. Several factors contributing to this concerning trend and some of them can be traced back to our modern lifestyle. Poor diet and nutrition. आजकल की जनरेशन बहुत ज़्यादा अनहेल्दी फूड खा रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोसेस्ड फूड खा रही है which is high unrefined carbs, trans fats and refined sugar, which leads to weight gain and risk of developing high cholesterol, high blood pressure and diabetes. All these are high risk for heart diseases. Lack of physical activity. Sedentary lifestyle has become a norm. Between the long hours of work, school and endless screen time, young generation is not getting the enough physical activity. Exercising is the key to maintaining a healthy heart, without which your heart is at a greater risk. Stress and mental health. In today's fast-paced world, chronic stress, anxiety, depression बहुत कॉमन है और एक ये बड़ी वजह है फॉर द इंक्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स। स्ट्रेस से हमारा इन्फ्लेमेशन बढ़ता है, ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ता है और ओवरऑल हमारे हार्ट को नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट करता है। स्मोकिंग एंड अल्कोहल कंजम्पशन, two significant contributors to this problem. Nicotine से blood pressure increase होता है which can lead to clotting. And excessive alcohol consumption can damage your heart over a period of time. Genetics and family history. While lifestyle choices plays a major role, but genetics can also play a part. Family history of heart diseases increases your risk. Young people with this genetic predisposition can develop heart conditions earlier in life. Let's talk about the warning signs. Recognizing heart problems early can save your life. Chest pain and discomfort. This is the most common warning sign, but it could be little different in the young individuals. It can be tight and uncomfortable pressure on the chest rather than a sharp pain. Short breath. Especially during the normal activity or while rest, if you experience short breath, it's time to pay attention. Dizziness and lightheadedness. Especially when you are standing up, if you are feeling dizzy, that means that the heart is not pumping the blood effectively. Unexplained fatigue. If you have suddenly started feeling tired and weak without a clear reason, it's a sign that something is wrong with your heart. Pain radiating to other areas, especially jaw, arms, back or stomach. This can be a subtle symptom, but don't ignore if you experience discomfort in these areas. Now that we know the risk and the symptoms of heart attacks, let's understand how we can protect your heart even when you are young. Adopt heart-friendly diet. अपने खाने में whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean protein and healthy fats को include करिए. Limit the consumption of processed food, sugary drinks and fried food. Manage your stress. Find ways to manage your stress by spending some time outdoor or meditation. Taking a break and practicing self-care is also a great way of managing your stress, plus it will keep your mind and body healthy. Stay active. Exercise is the key to healthy heart. A moderate exercise of 30 minutes like walking, jogging, cycling, swimming is enough. Avoid smoking and reduce the consumption of alcohol. Please remember, moderation is the key. Heart attack is a serious concern in young generation, but the best part is many of these factors are preventable by opting for healthier lifestyle choices, staying active and recognizing the warning signs. Let's create a health plan for you and for your loved ones. DM me ready to get started today. Stay heart healthy, everyone.